An angel appeared in a young man's dream. The angel was packing something hard. The man asked because he was curious about what to pack. "Angel, what are you packing so hard?" The angel smiled and said to the man, "I'm packing happiness for people." The man asked the angel again, "But why do you pack so hard and strong?" "It's because it's too far away and takes a long time to deliver to people." "Oh, I see. By the way, what is the packing material made of?" "This is a hardship. If you don't unpack this, you can't get a gift called happiness." Happiness is a gift in the package of hardship. If you are going through a lot of hardships now, endure it well, thinking that you are ready for greater happiness.